Hey, welcome to Algebra 2 Mod 3 Unit 8 Lesson 3B, a second day of logarithms. We're going to actually apply it a little bit today. Short video though. Alright, so question 3 on page 13 of your packet says there are approximately 317 million people in the United States. Compute using the log of 100 million and the log of a billion to explain why the Social Security numbers are 9 digits long. So we're going to explain why. Well, if we talk about the log, which of course is base 10 for the 10 digits, of 100 million. We actually do that. You do that on your calculator net, you should know from the past you will get 8. So that's 8 digits to make 100 million. And if I do log base 10, once again you don't have to write the 10, of 1 billion, you will get 9. So that's 9 digits to generate a billion numbers. So clearly, if we have 317 million people, log of a billion is going to be plenty enough. 9 digits is going to be what you need to cover it. 8's not enough. So clearly, plenty enough. Plenty with 9 digits until we get close to a billion people, until we actually hit a billion people in the United States. All right, let's go on to one more example, see how we apply it there. So, taking off the last one, there are many more telephones than the number of people in the United States have. We got home phones, cell phones, they tell you, business phones, fax numbers, all kinds of stuff, okay? Assuming that we need, at most, 10 billion phone numbers in the United States, how many digits would be needed so that each phone number is unique? And is that reasonable? So let's take a look at this. So if we go off the one we just did, we already knew that the log of 1 billion, okay, turned out to be 9 digits. So therefore, if I actually apply this further, the log base 10 of 10 billion will turn out to be 10. Now 1 billion, if I did log base 9, or log base 10 of a billion, I can't talk right, you actually wouldn't have enough to cover this 10 billion they were talking about phone numbers. So if I do log base 10 of 10 billion, I will need 10 digits. Well, guess what our phone number is? Like here at Cheektowaga, we got 716, dash 686, dash 3600, and if you look at it, that's what we base ours off of, which is 10 digits. Okay? Now, is that enough? Well, let's take that. 10 billion generates 10 digits, and right now we have 317 million in the U.S., according to that last census. If we divide that, we get about almost 32 phones a person. Okay? We have babies that don't use phones, all kinds of other phones. I don't know about you and me personally, but even if we each had 3 or 4 phones, and you count in a business phone here and there for every person at work and stuff like that, you come nowhere near 32 phones. So, fax numbers, everything else, we have plenty enough phone numbers now running it that way. So that's the proof right here in this little piece with our dividing. And coming back to log base 10 of 10 billion is 10 digits, which is our current system. Okay, so there's 2 applications of logarithms we're going to talk about more in class. Have a good one, and I will see you there.